Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card payment gateway to your WordPress WooCommerce store in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to simply log in into your WordPress admin dashboard. That will look something like this. Now you need to simply go to WooCommerce. This will be your plugin that you must have installed in your WordPress account. So here in WooCommerce you will see settings. So simply click on settings, and here in the settings you will see payment tab. So you just have to simply select the payment options, choose the one that support credit or debit card payments such as Stripe, PayPal or another third party gateway. Now for Stripe you need to simply click on activate next to Stripe and follow further on screen instructions in order to basically connect your Stripe account with your WordPress account. Now once the connection is established successfully, you need to enable credit card payments and customize the settings like currency, display options, etc. Once you are done with these, you just have to simply click on the save changes option in the bottom and you are all set to accept the credit card payments on your store. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video with your friends who want the same thing to happen on your store. Thanks for watching.